Learn English easily.
A random act of kindness. In the cozy little town of Meadowbrook, there was a grocery store that was more than just a place to shop. It was where people came together, sharing stories and laughter, turning strangers into friends. In this special store worked a young girl named Alia. Alia couldn't hear or speak, but she had a beautiful smile that made the whole place shine. She was very good at noticing things and worked harder than anyone else. Alia faces many tough moments every day. Talking to people who came to shop and working with other store employees was hard for her. She knew how to use sign language, a way of communicating using hand movements, but most people in Meadowbrook didn't know sign language. This often confused or made people upset, especially when the store was very busy. Everyone was rushing around, and it was easy to lose patience. Alia tried her best every day, even though it was difficult to make others understand her or to understand them. She kept her smile, though, and never gave up, showing everyone how strong and determined she was, no matter the challenge. Things started to change for the better when Mr. Hansen, the man who owned the grocery store, saw how hard things were for Alia. He realized it wasn't fair for her to deal with everything alone. So he decided to do something nice. He set up a class to teach sign language, which is the hand sign Alia uses to talk. These classes were held in a spare room at the store every Wednesday night after work. People in Meadowbrook loved the idea and were excited to learn. They wanted to be able to chat with Alia and make her feel more part of things. They showed up every week, ready to learn how to communicate better with her. As time went by, everyone's hard work started to show results. The people who shopped at the store often, as well as Alia's coworkers, began to understand sign language. This made it easier for them to talk to Alia and for her to help them find what they needed in the store. To make things even better, Alia made a special chart that used sign language to show the names of different food items sold in the store. Mr. Hansen was so proud of this chart that he put one next to every cash register. Thanks to Mr. Hansen's idea and everyone's willingness to learn, talking and working in the store became much easier for Alia. She felt happier and more included because she could communicate better with the people around her. The people in Meadowbrook did even more to make Alia feel welcome and included. They started using more pictures and gestures when they talked, so Alia could easily be part of any conversation. This made her feel happy and included. The local school also wanted to help. When the art students heard about Alia, they had a great idea. They made beautiful, colorful signs for the grocery store. These signs showed pictures of different parts of the store and some of the most common things people buy, like bread and milk. This made it much easier for Alia to help customers find what they needed because she could show them the signs instead of trying to explain with words. Alia being at the store and how everyone came together to help her make the grocery store a special place in Meadowbrook. It wasn't just known for selling good food anymore. It became a place that showed how important it is to understand and support each other, no matter what. People in the town were proud of this, and the store became a place where everyone, no matter how different, felt welcomed and valued. Alia was once known just as a girl who couldn't hear or speak, but she became much more than that to the people in Meadowbrook. Everyone came to love her for her bravery and the special happiness she brought to simple things every day. The people in Meadowbrook learned a lot from Alia. They discovered how important it is to have a strong community where everyone supports each other. She taught them that even if someone seems different, everyone can find ways to understand and help one another. Because of Alia, Meadowbrook turned into a place full of hope. It reminded everyone that being kind and working hard can bring people together in wonderful ways.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.